If you've ever opened your under sink cabinet and found a mystery puddle, warped wood, or that weird musty smell creeping in, you already know how quickly a small leak can turn into a bigger, more expensive problem. It's one of those things you don't think about until it's too late. That's exactly the kind of problem the Sikadeer 34 inches by 22 inches under sink mat is trying to solve. It's designed for homeowners, renters, and really anyone who stores cleaning supplies or plumbing under their sink and want a simple layer of protection against leaks, spills, and everyday mess. It's not flashy, but it's one of those products that quietly does a job you'll appreciate over time. At first glance, it's just a flat silicone mat, but once you actually handle it, the build quality stands out more than you'd expect. It's made from thick, flexible silicone that feels durable without being stiff. The raised edges, about 1.5 centimeters high, are really the key feature here. Instead of letting water spill over into your cabinet, it creates a shallow tray that can actually contain leaks. That's a small design choice, but in real-world use, it's the difference between a quick cleanup and potential cabinet damage. The texture on the surface is slightly grippy, which helps keep bottles and cleaning supplies from sliding around every time you open the cabinet door. It's one of those subtle details you don't notice until you've used a flat, slippery liner before. The material itself feels safe and neutral, no strong chemical smell. And since it's food-grade silicone, it's versatile enough that you could repurpose it elsewhere if needed. In everyday use, this is about as low maintenance as it gets. You place it under your sink, and that's pretty much it. There's no installation, no adhesive, nothing permanent. If there's a spill or a leak, the water pools inside the mat instead of soaking into your cabinet base. Cleaning it is as simple as wiping it down or rinsing it off. If things get messy, you can even remove it entirely and wash it in the sink or dishwasher. One surprisingly practical thing is how flexible the edges are. If water collects, you can gently press or lift one side to drain it out without making a mess. It sounds minor, but it makes cleanup feel less annoying compared to rigid trays that are harder to handle. Over time, that convenience adds up. It also fits pretty naturally into a daily routine without changing anything. You're still storing your cleaning products the same way, but now there's a safety layer underneath. It's especially useful in homes where plumbing isn't perfect or in older kitchens where small drips are more common than you'd like to admit. Now, in terms of downsides, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, sizing matters a lot. You need to measure your cabinet carefully before buying, because while there are multiple size options, this isn't a one-size-fits-all product. If your cabinet has unusual dimensions or a lot of pipe obstructions, you might need to trim it slightly, which is doable but not ideal for everyone. Also, while the silicone is durable, it's still a flexible material. If you're expecting something rigid that can hold heavy weight without any movement, this isn't that. It's designed more for protection and containment than structural support. And visually, it's pretty basic. It's not going to elevate the look of your cabinet. Just make it more functional. Compared to cheaper plastic liners or thin mats, this feels like a clear upgrade. Those often don't have raised edges, which means they don't actually protect against leaks in any meaningful way. On the other hand, there are more heavy-duty trays on the market, but they tend to be bulkier, harder to install, and less flexible in tight spaces. This sits somewhere in the middle, balancing practicality with ease of use. So who is this best for? If you've dealt with leaks before, or you just want to prevent future damage without overthinking it, this makes a lot of sense. It's also a great option for renters who want protection without making permanent changes. But if your under sink area is already perfectly sealed and organized, you might not feel an immediate need for it. At the end of the day, this is one of those products you don't really notice until it saves you from a headache. It's simple, effective, and quietly does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you want to protect your cabinets and avoid those surprise cleanup moments, you can check it out through the link in the description. And if this kind of practical, real-world review helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. There's more coming that's actually worth your time.